All right, we're going to do one final game for today. I increased the board size, so it'll be better hopefully for me playing and for you viewing. As soon as someone accepts my challenge, we will get started. And here we go. Jan Caw D, and I'm white, so let's begin. Let's see what we got. Okay, our first Sicilian. I'm a big fan of C3. I gotta refresh myself on the theory. Okay. Now I really want to learn the advanced French, but I don't know it yet, so I'm not going to play it. Oh, okay, so now we've transposed into not a French, but a line where queen takes as the move. Let's play knight a3. The idea play here. Okay, so much for the fork here. That would have been fun, but he has wasted time with a3. Should we bang his queen? No, we can't play bishop here. We lose this pawn. Although that's probably fine. I get a huge development lead, but let's not do that. Maybe next move I'll play bishop here. Also knight here is a move. Forces him to respond to this threat. Doke. Can he check here if I do that? I don't really want to deal with that. Let's just take. I may have already made a mistake, but I don't think so. Okay, that's not particularly good because I couldn't get the bishop. And now he's having trouble castling, so I'm pretty happy with this. Only problem is developing this light squared bishop. Okay, get out your way. Okay. Check. Don't think that check is a big problem. I'm getting a deleted development. I think I should block the bishop, and if he takes here, it's gotta be good for me. Yeah. Yeah, bishop here, putting more pressure is not an option because I can take it. I think this is good. Probably bishop here is also good. But I need to get my kingside developed in castle. Pretty happy with it so far. Oh, or not. Interesting. But is this a big deal? I'm gonna say it's not a big deal. It's maybe a little frightening to me. Maybe. I don't have enough time for this. Okay, so he's gonna play bishop here is his idea. I think. Oh, or not. Okay, well, if he's not gonna do that, now I'm pretty happy again, except that I've wasted so much time. I still have a good position. I'm gonna castle. F5 is a little concerning, but I can live with that, and he's not even playing it. Alright, now I really gotta catch up on the clock here. With a threat and another threat. I like my position as queen. Hold down this knight. Alright, he's gonna play there. Really want to trap his queen, but I don't think that's happening. Is queen here really accomplishing anything? It just pushes the queen to a, I don't know about better square, but oh, right, running out of time. So okay, so I'll just make a move that I don't even know if it's good or not. Maybe, yeah, probably knight here, and that's a bad move. Yeah. So, okay, I should have just hit the queen and not gotten myself in this time pressure. But we got an increment, so perhaps there's hope. This knight here, I think, is good for him. Yeah, this looks like a bad position. Maybe if knight here, my knight there. Uh, should I just play without thinking? Probably I should. Probably I should do that because I don't have time to think. I got a busy life. I really want to trap your queen. I really want to do it. I don't think I can. But if I don't trap your queen, I'm going to lose on time. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Are you trapped? I think you're trapped. Do I have all these squares on it? Oh, wow. Oh, I love chess. What a wonderful game. Yeah, I don't see a move. Well, that's a move. All right. Woo! That was fun. That's what it's all about. All right. Let's look at that. So, I can't take like massive credit for being a great genius because I kind of screwed up the opening. So, yeah, knight here. Probably would have been better what I played after knight here. I don't know. I don't have. Wait, what is it? What is it saying? Yeah, and it's a game. No huge edge for white, but I do like my position. Oh no, checkmating me on g2. Come on, man. Huh? I really want to do that. Let him develop his bishop for free. No, I don't think so. Now we do that, but it's saying it's equal. Okay, well, it's equal, but I got 2-1 on the queen side. He's got an isolated pawn. He has extra central pawn. Oh, okay, whatever, it's equal, but so okay, I played knight f3 instead. Probably also okay. Yeah, I wanted to do this, but I chickened out. Oh, queen here. This is a huge advantage, really? Oh, yeah, this is a huge threat. He doesn't have time for any of this nonsense. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So I shouldn't have figured out. I should have played here. And knight takes. Not nice. Cheeky. Go back. We're going to repeat. All right, I just got an alert. My microphone stopped working, so we might have lost a little commentary. Anyway, let me speed through this a little more quickly. So the computer actually likes and says that I'm worse. Oh wait, no, it says it's equal. And bishop d2, d7 is somehow terrible. I guess the knight block makes more sense, and you can put the other knight here in castle. I mean, as it turned out, White had no problems doing that anyway. Ah, bishop e3, much better move. Why? Yeah, what's the difference? I don't follow. Oh, okay, well, this is terrible. Huh. Oh, because he can play the move he played. Ah, yeah, logical. Okay. Yeah, this is the move I was worried about. I was going to play, oops, I was going to play here. And then I can't castle. So I'm kind of worried about f5. But this is not good at all. because of here, I assume. Oh, maybe similar queen traps. I was thinking maybe here, here, and oh, well, that doesn't work at all because I'm still losing the bishop. Anyway, he surprised me. Played knight c6, bishop here, knight there, castle here. Likes my rook move, and it says this is oh yeah, he's got a lot of problems. My coordination is nice. Getting it out of the defense of this piece, I suppose. If you hear, I can pawn there. What if he tries this? Oh, yeah, this is bad news. Oh, and now, oh, very nice. Okay. Oops, I didn't mean to go back quite that far. Instead, he played knight c6. So my rook d6 in time pressure was not so bad. And yeah, I was absolutely correct. I was really panicked. If I have to play a move like this, yeah, I have no advantage at all. Black is slightly better, so I have to be aggressive. And yeah, now I'm just winning his queen. Is there any way out? Doesn't look to be any way out. It's just a matter of how you lose. So yeah, nice miniature. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching the channel.